January 15th, 2009. A miracle happened on the Hudson River. A plane crash landed there, and everyone survived. You've all seen what they've showed on the news, but let's get a closer look at what happened on that fateful day.
Hello. It seems we've encountered a rogue squadron of Canadian geese. They took out our left wing. We're going down. Prepare for a hard impact.
Please, everybody, remain in my seat. We're all going to die. You've got to keep a hold of yourself there. You've got to keep a hold.
You can't go farming in times like these. You can't. Oh my God!
Take this to the grave, but since we're going to die, I think you might as well know.
What is it? Tell me!
Remember Ray Shonda the goldfish?
Oh, yes. How I love Ray Shonda the goldfish.
I didn't actually help him find his way home. He died.
What? But you told me he was lost and we had so much fun and sang and how?
That's just how things go, honey. You come home with bright eyes from the fish store with your new fish. You play a game of tag, and the next thing you know, it's dead. Not sleeping, dead.
Well, since it's in season, I have something to admit as well. For the past 3 years, I've been on the run from the authorities. I'm the infamous old person torturer. And what it is, I push them to impossible feats. I make them climb upstairs back. I do jumping jacks. I make them eat loads and loads of sugar-loaded food. And I make them watch as I make them watch as I draw all over their family photos. I have something to say as well. If I said this anywhere else, I'd be cast away from society. I was a strong supporter of George W. Bush. We're solid. And I support the decision to invade Iraq.
Yes.
And I am satisfied with the situation there as it is now. You're disgusting!
Yeah, I fucking landed it. I fucking landed it. Who the man? I'm the man. We landed in the Hudson, bitches. I'm the man. You owe me so much. What have you done for me? You done nothing. So come up here and get out. We're all alive.
I won't say anything if you